AI to generate amazing thumbnails for your YouTube video. That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, this AI tool I'm going to show you today, it's amazing. It's going to generate thumbnails for you with your own face. So it's not going to use random robotic images. It is going to use your face on AI generated thumbnails. It's amazing. In addition to that, it's also going to optimize your videos for viral growth. So it'll create titles, tags, description, and also chapters. I used to do it manually. It took so much time, but this tool saves all that time. The tool is called Taja. I'll make sure I have link below. And yes, it is my affiliate link, but I absolutely love this tool when it comes to YouTube growth, viral growth. All right, so let me log in to my account and I'll show you the inside. Here you go. Here is the internal dashboard. I'm already logged in. You can see I've optimized some videos and I'll show you step-by-step process. So step number one is you're going to add, once you log in, you're going to add your YouTube channel. So you can go to manage channels and then add a channel here. So once your channel is added, go back to the dashboard and this is where you are going to optimize the videos. So click here. And now enter your YouTube video URL here. So let me go to my channel. And by the way, this tool is great. Let me pick some oldest video for talking head videos. So if you have talking head videos, or maybe you have podcasts or interviews like these, this tool is amazing because it creates, the AI generates thumbnails from people inside your video. So let's go back. I'm going to put the YouTube video URL here. You can add more context. You can also add filters, tones, languages if you want, and then click on optimize. And now this is amazing. Let's give it a few seconds. All right, check this out. So it took about 10 seconds and now here's my full video transcript. Not just that, hang tight because you're going to see here are the viral titles suggested by this tool. I can see the titles, also the potential virality score, and then I can select whichever one I want. So I like the first one, so I can select that, and it has 10 titles. You can cycle through those. Here is my video. Now scroll down. Now here's the title, and it wrote the description for my video. Also, it did all the chapters. I don't have to manually watch my video, write timestamps. I used to do it on the paper, no more. This tool will do it everything for you. So it has done all the optimization. If I want a different title, I can select it and click on re-optimize, but I like the title I selected. Also gives you tags. You can re-optimize if you want. And here are some thumbnails it generated for me because I've already optimized this video. And look at this, AI generated these thumbnails for me. I did not do this. You don't have to use Canva anymore. You don't have to hire people from Fiverr or Upwork, those designers. It is going to save all that money. Again, the link is going to be below in the description, so make sure you check it out. It is my affiliate link. Now, let's say if I want to generate some more thumbnail visuals, let's click here and now give it a few seconds. And here you go. I got some new variations of my thumbnails. Master LinkedIn generation, perfect pictures. Now, if you want to make some customization, click on that. And now you can upload images, add more text, add curved text. So there's some basic. Let me make it smaller so you can see it properly. Here you go. So you can do some basic customization, basic editing, but it's already amazing. I used to spend at least like 30 minutes designing a thumbnail. Guess what? The time is saved now. So let's go back because there's one other amazing feature I want to show you. Take it back to 100. Actually, let me go back to the dashboard and click on this video right here. And then the last feature at the bottom is it's going to show, it's going to say generate shorts. I've already done that. But once the shorts are generated, basically you can convert your long YouTube videos into multiple short videos. In this case, I got 9 shorts from one video. So you can multiply your content. You can use on YouTube Shorts. You can use on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, content repurpose. So this AI tool is actually, if you think about this, it's the ultimate YouTube growth tool. Titles, tags, descriptions, thumbnail designing, which is big for me because it saves me so much time. And also It creates shorts so you can multiply your content. Amazing. Taja AI is the name of the tool, and I'll make sure I have link below. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.